Good morning. You are listening Vinay Kumar, your news anchor from Lavafara Media. Here we bring you latest updated news from around the world. This is from Mumbai. As coronavirus cases continue to rise sharply in Mumbai, young doctors in the city are under extreme pressure. Many young city doctors said that they have been living in extreme stress for weeks and are overwhelmed by the pressure of rising COVID-19 cases. We spoke to a number of young Mumbai doctors to understand their mental state working under such stressful conditions. Depression, fear, and anxiety at the workplace and nerves breakdown are not alien to them. We are so suddenly thrown into it all at once. There was no time to think. We have been learning while working, said a young female resident doctor of KEM Hospital. It's a tough life, she adds. Beside the painstakingly long work hours, young doctors on COVID-19 duty in Mumbai hospitals are facing several challenges, including depression. A resident doctor who requested anonymity said grueling hours inside the PPE wherein you can neither eat, taking a break, nor even go to the toilet. One has to endure, control, and overcome all directions and focus on the patient who need medical care. It's not as if giving it all you solve the problem. You are a frontline warrior fighting a virus whose very nature is not completely known. And so, there's often the traumatic experience of seeing life leaving the body in front of your eyes. The doctor added, I have seen young people in their 30s and 40s just suddenly stop moving in their beds, and you stand there not knowing what to do. He said doctors also face high risk of contracting the virus and that there is genuine fear that they could become the next target of the virus. There is no guaranteeing that you are in the safe zone after dedicating yourself to saving lives of COVID-19 positive cases. You survive one day at a time and then there is another. All this over a period of time takes a toll on your mental and physical health, he had. Young resident doctor from KEM hospital agreed. He said, yes, definitely we work in stressful situation every day. Who would have thought that there would be a crisis to this magnitude? But we choose this noble profession and it's test of our mental preparedness as well. We are being watched by our superiors. What better way to judge who's capable to face the heat and who isn't? He added. That is from today. I, Vinay Kumar, will come with new updates tomorrow. Stay tuned with us. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.